Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick walk around on this 1981 Yamaha Seca 750. We're going to show you, point out some things. The owner had it. It's a single owner motorcycle. He had it, rode it about 4,000 miles and then put it in a shed and really didn't ride it from then on. So I'm thinking he probably had a couple of riding seasons in on it, and that was it. Put it in a shed and forgot about it until just recently where we found it. So it's kind of a modern barn find. It's a great solid little bike. We're going to get ready to do some things to it, but we're also going to point out a few things as we walk around it, things that we know we're going to have to do to the bike to get it back roadworthy. So stay with us and take a look. This particular Seca has the touring package on it. They did not come that way stock. This was an option that he put on in addition to it when he bought the bike new. So as we look at this other side, again, you can see quite a bit of rust, but you know, a lot of that's just surface rust and it'll buff right out. The tires on it, believe it or not, do hold air. We got a slow leak in the front tire, but that we're going to change out anyway. They're just, you know, they're getting brittle, and just for safety's sake they will be changed out. Chances are they will not go back stock. We will probably put a little more aggressive tire on it this time than what it came stock. The cool thing about this particular model back in 1981, it was pretty advanced motorcycle with the electronics on it and the types of calipers that they put on this bike. It made it a very specialized bike. So I'm gonna clean it up, give you a look at it once it has been cleaned down and washed up, and see how you can transform this bike really quick into making it look pretty cool without the touring pack on it. Okay, I just finished up giving it a little polish. Actually just sprayed it down, wiped it down, get all that shed dust off of it. Couldn't wait, so I went ahead and took the touring package off of it. You can see it over there on the ground. I did clean it up a little bit, just again to knock the dust off. That'll be great for when we want to do a long run or things like that, but I think we'll keep it off for the day-to-day operation of the bike. As you can see, the engine really came out pretty clean. Definitely still some buffing and detail work to do on it. Obviously we'll do that as we clean up and rebuild the carburetors and replace some seals and all the fluids in it. But it really, I really like the look of this bike without the touring package on it. It's got a nice sporty look to it for a 750. It is a 1981 model, just a fantastic, got a nice paint scheme on it. So it's going to be a fun little project bike. Stay with us as we fix it up and get it ready to get back on the road.